Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to change the battery in this little FORD key fob. Now to do that, you will need the correct battery, which is a CR2032. I will go ahead and post the link to these on Amazon in the video description for your convenience. And you will need some kind of a pry tool. I'm using this little flathead screwdriver, but you could also use a knife. I will say you need to be very, very careful when you are using this, because if you slip, you can do some serious damage to your furniture or worse yet, yourself. So be very, very careful. Don't hurt yourself when you're doing this. Now to open this up, all you do is insert your pry tool really anywhere along this line on the side works, but if you have a pry tool that's small enough that you can get it into this little port on the side, that's where I find it works best. And you just stick that in there, and sometimes you need to get a little finger in too to help it along. Open that right up, and there you can see our battery. So now just gotta get one of these batteries out of here. Now, from there, it should be pretty self-explanatory. You just want to get the old battery out, put the new battery in, snap this back on, and you're good to go.